To JS or DevOps. Today we are discussing about Blackbox Exporter. The Blackbox Exporter is one of the monitoring tool in Prometheus. So I will show you where we can use this Blackbox Exporter. We can use in several ways. Here are some of the examples. We can use in Blackbox Monitor, uptime and availability monitoring. The Blackbox Exporter can be used to continuously check if an endpoint is reachable and responding as expected. And also it can detect outages or when an endpoint is down, providing alerts and enabling quick resolution of issues. And also it can be used security monitoring. That means the black box exporter can detect potential security vulnerabilities or unauthorized endpoints. And also it can be used to TLS certificates, ensuring they are valid and have not expired. And also we can use SSL certificates also either expired or valid. We can use through black box exporter. And also it can use DNS health monitoring. That means perform DNS lookup and verify the health of DNS servers. It can measure DNS resolution times and detect any issue with DNS infrastructure. It can be also used monitoring internal and external endpoints. The black box exporter is particularly useful for monitoring internal service that may not be publicly accessible, such as databases or web applications. So these are the advantages in using black box exporter. So I will show you how to installation on Ubuntu Linux machine and how to configure to Prometheus, and also how to we can visualization through Grafana. I will show you in this session. These are official website, that is prometheus.io. If you go download and if you scroll down, here you will get different OS. I will choose Linux only. So I will copy this link. By using wget, I paste this link and download it. I enter by using tar-xvgdef. This tar I given this one. So enter it. So this is the directory of Blackbox Exporter. If you enter the directory, you will get these files and scripts. This is license and everything. I will try to change the rename by using mv command, blackbox underscore exporter. Now if you check, cd is equal to blackbox exporter. So this is the directory. I will try to create blackbox exporter user by using user add. So if you go and check, this is the user of blackbox exporter user. So you can use by using cat/etc and password. So you will get the information about all the users. Next I will try to move this script into binary by using cp command user local bin. I move this script in bin directory. Initially it does not have any user permission to this execute script. So later I will provide the owner permission to this particular script by using chown blackbox. So this user permission I provide to this blackbox exporter. Now after I will check this blackbox exporter script, it has owner permission, blackbox and blackbox. After that I'm creating a service for blackbox exporter. So for that I am using nano. So in this etc directory systemd system, so I created blackbox underscore exporter dot service. If you enter this file, inside of this service file we have to mention like unit service and install. So this is the user and group, and you can start where it is. Already we are copy user local bin blackbox exporter. This is config file. We have to create this config file. So after save by using control X, and if you say Y, after enter you can come out. We have to create config file in Blackbox Exporter in the etc directory. So for that, I using mkdir /etc blackbox underscore exporter. I created this directory in etc. So after that, I created config.yaml file by using nano. So in this Blackbox Exporter directory, so if you enter and you have to inside of config.yaml, you have to keep this test. So it will identify the request like 200, 201, like that only. So it can be identify those requests for HTTP, HTTPS, everything. It will save and come out. Now I am providing user permissions to owner permission to particular black box directory. Now you can check cd/etc blackbox ln. So this is the owner permission we are giving to Blackbox underscore exporter. After that, I daemon reload and I start the Blackbox exporter by using systemctl start Blackbox exporter. Don't forget, we have to run these commands daemon reload and daemon reexs. And after that, I enable by using systemctl enable Blackbox exporter. So after that, I check whether it is running or not by using status systemctl status black underscore box exporter. So this, it will show the active. So that means only it works. If it does not show active, it doesn't work. So then after that, I will take my public IP and keep the port is default port is 119115. So this is the way of installation of Blackbox exporter, and next video I will show you how to configure the Prometheus and how can you visualization through Grafana. I will show you. Thanks for watching.